Today we're making one of Spain's most iconic tapas dishes, gambas al ajillo. Simple ingredients. For this recipe, we'll use fresh shrimp, lots of garlic, good olive oil, parsley, and a little chili for heat. The fresher the shrimp, the better the final result. Take your time with this step. Good cooking always starts with good ingredients.
Garlic is the heart of gambas al ajillo. As it slowly cooks in the oil, it releases all of its aroma and transforms the dish completely.
This is the moment where the magic begins. The garlic slowly perfumes the oil, filling the kitchen with one of the most incredible aromas in Spanish cuisine. As soon as the shrimp hit the hot oil, everything changes. The aroma becomes richer, deeper, and impossible to resist.
The shrimp only need a few minutes. Perfect gambas al ajillo should always be juicy, tender, and full of garlic flavor. And honestly, this garlic oil might be the best part of the entire dish. This is why good bread is absolutely essential. Simple ingredients, unforgettable flavor. That's the beauty of traditional Spanish cooking.